Hello everybody. Last time we talked about spring and summer. Today we're gonna talk about winter. But before talking about winter, let's make a quick review. How many seasons do we have among the year? We have 4 seasons. Who can tell me what are they? Summer, spring, winter, and fall. Or autumn. Yeah, sometimes we call it autumn. Today our lesson is gonna be about winter season. What happens in winter? How does the weather look like? What do we have to wear? What can we drink? This what are we going to learn today. So what do you think? How does the weather look like in winter? Is it warm or cold? It is cold. What are we going to wear? Are we going to wear short sleeves, slippers, or like boots, scarves, mittens, hats, jackets? Yes, we have to wear jackets and boots, scarves and mittens, yeah, long sleeves, shirts. Very good. What activities can we do in winter? In winter, yes, we can go out and play with the snow or like slide on the snow, make skiing, build a snowman. Very good. What kind of drinks you can drink? Can you eat ice cream? Of course no. Yeah, we have to drink like hot drinks. Yes. Like hot chocolate, for example. Okay. Now let's take a look about what happens in winter. Winter seems very cold and freezing sometimes. Winter actually is the coldest season of the year. There are lots of rain and sometimes we can see snow. In winter, there are fewer hours of sunlight because most of the time the sky is cloudy. Actually, in most countries, winter starts in December. In winter, as I said, it may snow. Less sunlight means some plants die. Of course, we said before that there are like some things that help plants to grow, right? What are they? Plants need water, needs sunlight, needs air, yes, to grow. What if there is a little bit of sunlight or sometimes there is no sunlight at all? It's almost cloudy all the time. Then what will happen to the plants? Of course, they will die. In winter, as we said before, that in fall the color of the leaves will change. Then they start falling. Now in winter, the last of the leaves fall off some trees. You could see that the trees almost doesn't have any leaves on it. Since the weather is very cold and freezing, then there will be just fewer plants. What could animals do? There is no much food. There is like fewer plants, though what can animals do to survive in winter? Some of them, they go and find food. They search for food, yeah. Some of them, what do they do? What do you think? Yes, there are some animals that store food in summer and in fall, then they eat them in winter. Others, what could they do? Okay, since there is no answer, then let's find out together. So some animals search for food in winter. Others, they eat what they stored in fall. And some animals go to sleep until spring. They take a long nap. Look at this dormouse. She's gonna rest here all winter. As we know, that animals take the trees and the logs as shelter, and some of them they stay in caves so that they keep warm in the cold weather. Now let us review, or let us guess. What is the coldest season? Is it winter or summer? Of course it is winter, because like summer is the warmest one. Super job. What happens in winter? Does it rain? Or the sun shines? It means, is it rainy most of the times, or it is sunny most of the times? What do you think? It rains. Super job. Do we have a lot of sunlight hours in winter? Yes or no? Of course no, because it's mostly cloudy in winter. Do the leaves fall off trees in winter? Yes. Many plants grow in winter? Of course no. It's mostly cloudy. There is no sunlight. So how could the plants grow? Do some animals sleep in winter? Yes.